Hello, everybody, and welcome back to The Crooked Man. I'm Vale, and let's hop back into it. Man, this game is quiet. Eerily quiet, honestly. Never can get used to it. Anything like it, really. So, if I recall, it said go to the sink. Let me get this cursor out of here. Okay, sink, what you got for me? A wash bin, basin. Isn't this a sink? Washing machine. Wait a minute. Did I save it and not? Okay. Let me guess. TV? No. What was it? Was it go to bed? Phone rang. I used my tissues like every night. And then I found things in the cupboard. Something about the desk and how I didn't move it. But no, I moved it back. Nothing in them. No one's crying tonight. No murderers behind the bathtub. I'm confused. No reason to go out. There's a million reasons to go out. A million. A stove. I really don't know what else I was What? There's a scrap of paper under here. Got a scrap of paper. Oh, that's ink. What does it say? There was a crooked man, and he walked a crooked mile. He found a crooked sixpence upon a crooked stile. He bought a crooked cat, which caught a crooked mouse, and they all lived together in a crooked little house. Isn't this a Mother Goose rhyme? Why is this here under the sink? I guess the previous tenant? So much strange stuff. I should just sleep and forget about it. Yeah, man, you need to work like a better job. I don't know, maybe become like a... Where do you live? What's your social security number? This is just a regular question, don't worry about it. Moving for a change of pace, huh? Guess that's not working so well. Appreciate Paul and Maron's help, but... Yeah, it's not really working out, is it? Can you just shut up? Actually, this is a low-income area, probably, so you can cry all you want. Yeah, the world's pretty bad. Let it out. Okay, I think that's enough. Is that a kid I hear? This late at night? And what kid would live in these beat-up apartments? Well, technically, you're a kid at heart, David. We're all kids at heart. Don't think about that whenever you find a lover, though. Heck. Maybe they're lost. I should go check. Yeah, heck. Hey, yo, kid. I'm gonna punt you. Of course. There's no kids here. Must be getting tired. I'm about to slap you if you broke something. Hey yo. You bish. Just a broken cup. Jesus, that startled me. Wait, what? Help me. Your coffee spelled out. You gotta be... Oh my god, I have a caffeine addiction. This room is really, really strange. With its voices and a TV turning on. What is this? Is the coffee stain still there? Looks like it. You could like see the little smudge marks. Hi, Paul. It's David. Yeah, Paul, what's up? Man, you sound sleepy. Yeah, Um, was up all night. I gotta ask you something. Is now okay? Yeah, what? Do you know who lived in this room? Nah, I don't know. You asked the landlady? You curious about something? Well, it seems like he forgot a lot of stuff, but I'll ask the landlady. Sure. Later. The landlady? It's on the far end of the first floor. I'll go see what she knows. Let's go, Paul. Hey, crack. I got your back and you got mine. After all, we're both cracks. In the backs. Every step that you take. Hey, crack, you're back. Nice to meet you. No reason to go outside except for to find a better apartment. Hello? Hello! Oh, it's Mr. David. What seems to be the matter? Good day, miss. I just wanted to ask something, you see. About the room I'm in. Can you tell me anything about the person who used to live there? Well, you know, these apartments always have people coming and going. Now, was that boy's name? I believe he was a man about your age. He suddenly left about a month ago. Said to leave the furniture and use it however. You wouldn't know where he went. I never heard no. Really just up and left out of the blue. Ah! I just can't remember that name. I could rummage through the documents to find the previous tenants if you'd like. No, there's no need. I was just a little curious. Thanks. I'll see you around. Alrighty. Sorry I wasn't very useful. What a pleasant landlady! You know what, David? Your friends are mean. If there's people like this, then this is a quality establishment. A man about my age. I can only wonder what he was like. Oh well. I'll get back to my room. So long as they have a great personality, everything's worth the price. Hello? I'm just here to bother you because I remember you. You're the only one that actually woke up. Hey, neighbor. No, no one. Okay. Bye, neighbor. Oh, that's saving. Saving's good, though. Saving's good, though. Pretty good. I love saving. How would I save? I don't know. Bye. I'm leaving. Okay, goodbye. I don't want to deal with it. You know what? I think I'm going to go to the moon. Nope, not going to the moon. Great. Yeah. Wrong story. Great. Yeah. You know, it doesn't always have to be horror. It could be just like, oh, look, rainbow ponies. It's like, I don't know. I think I'm going to go into the bathroom. Gonna powder my face. Okay, nothing. I got powder my face. I'm going to go, master words. Okay, no, I'm not going to do that. Hello! Crack, I thought you had my back. Asshole. Why are these cracked tracks on the floor? They lead up to this wall. Is there something in this crack? Ain't nobody's back. Got a brass key. Are all keys made of brass? This key is pretty fancy. I doubt it's for anything in here, so I wonder where. Don't despair, David. Look at that face. Blue eyes, sharp nose. You got this. The guy's voice, the kids' voices, the mirror writing, the TV turning on, the coffee. It's like a poltergeist or something. We're about to play a different game. But I wouldn't have thought the landlady would have mentioned this kind of thing. What's going on here? Not that I'd much care if there were ghosts here. No, nobody would be bothered if they haunted and killed me either. That's actually kind of sad. But I wonder about that scrap of paper. What was the man who lived here like? Did this stuff happen when he was here? Who knows, David? The world may never know. Not much use thinking about it. I'll call it a day. You want me to buy you Tootsie Pop? There's a lot of things we don't know. Go to bed, David. I'd stroke your hair, but that'd be creepy. Speaking of creepy, dial-up. Why? Where's that coming from? Is it from inside the house? Yeah, it's got a dial-up. You see, back in the day, computers made this sound. Why? Because they were stupid. Wait. Never mind, it was not that. Sounds like dial-up. It's a tissue! Stop masturbating! Help. No. No TV. A stove, that would be problematic. A refrigerator, that'd be okay. A washing machine. A toilet paper. You can't find that during the pandemic. And yet, a bookshelf. It hardly has any books. A drawer. Nothing in them. Aha! It came from in here. Why is it dark? Radio? What's... Why is this in my closet? Not to mention it turning on by itself. That's what I expect from that little shadowy demon. Man, I always expect the worst. There's something on this paper here. It's an address? Our special place. Where's that supposed to be? Got a paper with an address. Huzzah! I hope I didn't scare anyone by making that random noise. I like saving. I don't know why, but even though I'm in the safety of my house, like nothing can get me in my... As I was saying, nothing can get me in my house, but... What the... What? I'm waiting for you. Oh, really? I'm waiting for you? Why did... How... And when did it... And why did you waste all my ketchup? What? Wow! That was so unfortunate timing. Okay. So you sleep well last night? Sorry you had to sleep on the couch. You should be sorry for coming over so late. Wasn't expecting it, but don't sweat it. But hey, did something happen? You don't look too hot. Oh, there's no particular reason. Or maybe I felt like intruding into the newlyweds' love nest. Hey! Why you? Just kidding. Seriously though, you can tell me if anything happens, okay? I'll do whatever I can for you. Alright. I'm glad to know a guy who looks out for his friends. Hey, you making fun of me? Oh yeah. I heard from Marone. Sorry about the Shirley thing. I told her off for that. Don't worry about it. It's not Marone's fault. Marianne's. Well, it's not about whose fault it is. I'm just not happy about it. Don't let it get you down, okay? I know you've got your mother to look after, but I think it's time you move on and look for new people. As if a guy like me could find a date. I'm just some clerk with a mom in the hospital. And the girl I wanted to marry ran from me. Man, don't be such a sissy. You keep it up and moping and you'll have your own personal rain cloud. Well, I'll be careful. Oh, so I'm going to go to a little trip. Don't want to waste my vacation, you know. Oh, great idea. Where are you going? Just somewhere I was wondering about. I'll call you when I get there. Sweet. Send a postcard. Nah, but don't actually. Those things are a waste of my time. Breakfast ready, Paul. David, will you be eating too? Nah, I'm not hungry. I'll be going. Aw, that's too bad. Come by anytime you like. I kind of imagine that in like a passive-aggressive way. There. Looks like this address is in the mountains. About a 5-hour drive. Why? Oh, this was... Oh, you're using books. Was this before Google? Probably. Did the former tenant go here? I just want to ask him about this room. Maybe he'll know something. Hell, I'll go right now. I can't stand this place anyway. Good work, David. Prologue. David's room. End. I like saving. I like it. Double save. Ah, now that is amazing. Ooh, a terrifying place. Jesus, it's gotten dark. But this is the place, no doubt. Huge place. Looks like a hotel. Would he be here? Oh, I messed that up. But that doesn't matter. Because we're calling it here, everyone. Next episode, we'll investigate this scary-ass place. But until then, well, until tomorrow, well, I'll see you all tomorrow. But it's probably not going to be this game, though. But until then, until the next episode, I've been Vale. Sorry about that. But I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, this is goodbye. Goodbye.